Have you ever dreamed of speaking English fluently? Of effortlessly holding conversations, understanding your favorite movies, and connecting with people from around the world? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people are on the same journey. Today, we're diving into the best ways to conquer English speaking right from the comfort of your own home. Hello, and welcome to Teacher Ahelam's channel. Here is what we are going to study today. Understanding the basics. Primary ways to learn English speaking, imitation, receptive method, key components of effective learning, practical tips, free learning resources, accelerated learning. There are two primary ways to learn English speaking, imitation and the receptive method. Let's break it down. Imitation. This is like learning to dance by copying the moves of a skilled dancer. You listen to native speakers and try to replicate their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. It's like training your ear for the language. Receptive method. Imagine building a strong foundation before starting to build a house. This method focuses on listening, comprehension, and vocabulary first. You listen extensively to English, understand the meaning, and gradually build your speaking confidence. But the real magic happens when you combine both. By listening actively and practicing speaking regularly, you create a powerful formula for rapid improvement. To become a confident English speaker, you need two essential ingredients: listening and speaking. Learn by listening. It's like training your ears for the language. Immerse yourself in English through movies, TV shows, podcasts, and music. Pay attention to different accents and speaking styles. The more you listen, the better you'll understand and respond. Learn by speaking. Practice makes perfect. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're stepping stones to fluency. Find opportunities to speak English as often as possible. Remember, consistency is key. Dedicate time each day to speaking English, even if it's just for a few minutes. Let's make your English speaking journey smoother. Speak up. Don't be shy. Seek out opportunities to speak English. Join online language exchange groups, find a language partner, or simply practice with friends. Embrace mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. They're a natural part of learning. Focus on communicating your ideas clearly rather than achieving perfection. Find a language partner. Having someone to practice with can boost your confidence and provide valuable feedback. Who says learning English has to cost a fortune? There's a world of free resources out there. Online platforms. Explore language learning apps, podcasts, and YouTube channels offering free English lessons and practice. Movies, TV shows, and music. Immerse yourself in English language entertainment. Pay attention to the dialogues, mimic accents, and sing along to your favorite songs. Want to fast-track your English speaking? Let's create a plan. Set goals. Define clear and achievable language goals. Break them down into smaller steps to stay motivated. Create a study plan. Structure your learning with a dedicated study plan. Balance listening, speaking, and vocabulary building. Stay motivated, celebrate small wins, reward yourself, and find a supportive community to keep your spirits high. Remember, learning a language takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun. With dedication and the right strategies, you'll be speaking English confidently in no time. Subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends who are also on their English speaking journey. Let's inspire each other to achieve language fluency together.